Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Ask AI to Zendesk with our native Zendesk integration. So I've got started just by coming to my dashboard here, and I've gone to chatbot setup, integrations, and we can see here under the live chat apps, there's a Zendesk button. So we're going to click that. We're then going to connect our Zendesk account. So I'm going to click the Zendesk button. And then just here, it's asking me to put in my Zendesk subdomain. So we can get that by, if we go to either our admin center or our agent center, it's going to be the words just before it goes .zendesk. So we're just going to copy that and we're going to paste that into our subdomain here. And then we're going to click sign in. Once we sign in, we're going to allow access. And then we're going to be shown this connecting with Zendesk screen, which once it's completed, it will take a few seconds. It's then just going to redirect us back to Ask AI. So if we just give it a couple of seconds here, it's connected. And now it's redirected us back to our Ask AI. So then we're going to continue with the next steps. So we've got to configure our Zendesk account. And so it says to do this, we're going to go to our admin center. We're going to go to channels, bots, manage bots, and then click connect. So I'm going to open our Zendesk admin center. I'm going to go to channels. I'm going to go to bots. And then just under conversation bot for messaging, I'm going to click manage bots. And then we can see now that the marketplace bot, my Ask AI, has appeared here. So we're going to click connect and then click to confirm the connection. Okay, that's now connected. So now if we go back to our instructions, the next thing we need to do is we need to set up a trigger to close the Zendesk tickets after they've been marked as solved by the team. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our bot. We're going to go to objects and rules. We're going to scroll down to triggers here. And then we're going to create a trigger. Now I've created one already. I'll show you what it looks like. So you're going to enter the information. So close ticket trigger, give it a description, use to close ticket, give it a category. You can create a new category if you want to. And then we're going to give it some conditions. So it's going to meet all of the following conditions. So ticket status category is solved. And then we're going to give it an action, which is ticket status category closed. Once that's done, we're going to click save. And that's going to then be set up. So once we've completed those steps, we're going to click this I've completed these steps button. And then we're going to give our assistant names and give it a logo. Now, these are the logo and name that are going to appear in the Zendesk widget itself. So make sure it's something you're happy for the customers to see. Once we've done that, we're going to activate the Zendesk chatbot integration just by clicking this toggle switch. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to now show you just here, you can see a chatbot, and I'm going to click to open this chatbot, and then I can start by asking a question. So we can even start just by saying hello. And you can see that the Stripe assistant just starts to respond straight away. When it gives, if we now ask it a question, how much does it cost? You can now see that, again, it's going to answer the question. And then when it answers the question, it's also going to give us some relevant links. So you can see that it's given us the answer to the question. It's given us some links. And then it's going to generate an AI response, but also give us the option to talk to someone. So if we click this talk to someone, then what's going to then happen is it's going to, if the conversation is long, it's going to summarize the conversation just like this. And then the agent will now be able to pick up this conversation. If we go to our agent view, we just refresh this page. You can see that this conversation has now come through. And you can see that the whole of the conversation has come through. So we can see the entire context, we can see the handover, and we can continue talking to the user. You can see that comes back there. Now, if we now mark this as closed or solved, so I've just done that, So now when we go back to the agent and we ask another question, how do I add to Slack? So now when we do that, then it's going to initiate the assistant again. So if we asked a question before this, it would just be a human responding to it. But because we've set up the assistant, again, because we've solved the ticket, then there's a response coming from the assistant again. And then again, if we want to talk to someone, we can just do that as well. So that's it. That's how you get your assistant set up. If you've got any questions, feedback, or ideas, do let us know. Thanks very much.